Rebuilding trust after infidelity or deceit can feel like an insurmountable challenge, but with the right approach and commitment, it is absolutely possible to heal and strengthen your relationship. Step 1 in this crucial journey is to take full responsibility for your actions. Acknowledge the hurt you've caused without offering excuses, demonstrating genuine remorse and understanding of the impact. Next, commit to radical transparency moving forward. Share your actions and whereabouts openly, even when it feels uncomfortable, to gradually rebuild a sense of security and trust with your partner. Finally, understand that rebuilding trust takes considerable time and patience. Consider seeking professional help, as therapy can provide invaluable tools and guidance to accelerate the healing process for both partners. While challenging, trust can indeed be rebuilt with consistent effort and dedication. Start today by taking these steps towards a stronger, more honest relationship.